On number 1, we're just asked to simplify and write our answer in standard form. Remember, standard form is just when the exponent on your variable goes from the highest one down to the lowest one. And the lowest one is usually a constant, so it doesn't have a variable on it. So remember, you can only add what are called like terms together. So like you can only add cats together, you can only add dogs together. You can't add a dog and a cat. So when I'm looking through here and my first term is a 4x squared, I can only add it to other terms that also have an x squared. And here's one right here. When you add cats to cats, you still have cats. So when you add x squares to x squares, you're still going to have an x squared. It's just how many of them do you have. That's where the numbers in front tell you how many you have. So we had 4 and we subtracted 2, so we have 2 of them remaining. The next term is a 6x. I can only add a 6, or I can only add an x with another x. So here's another x in this expression. So that means I'm still going to have an x. It's just how many x's do I have? The numbers in front tell me I had 6 and I subtracted 5. So I have 1x and it's positive. So I'm going to put plus here, and you can put the 1 in front, or you can just write that as an x. It means exactly the same thing. And then I have my what I call constants, the numbers that don't have variables. I have a 2 here and a 7 here, so we can still add those just like we've been doing since probably kindergarten. So 2 plus 7 is 9, and it's positive, so it's plus 9. So either one of these answers is acceptable. The 1 in front of the x or not putting the 1 in front of the x. My answer's in standard form because the exponent on my x goes from being 2 to 1 to not having an x at all. So that's what we call standard form.